Hello friends, in this video we are going to make a RC boat. For this we are using 11.1 volt lipo battery. It gives us 20 minutes sail time, and also FSI 6 transmitter. It gives us 2 km plus range. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you miss a single step, it will be very difficult in making this boat. So watch the video till the end. Tell me in the comment box how the boat look. If this video is good, then like this video. We will start the video now. First of all, to make this boat, we gonna use a general thermocol sheet. Now, mark the boat size on the thermocol sheet using a pencil and a ruler. After marking, it looks a bit like this. Then we have to cut it. It looks like this later. This glue sticks very tightly, that's why I use it. Let's glue the two sheets together. After this, let's see how our boat will be. In fact, it looks great. This 2212 1400 kV BLDC motor was used for this boat. This is the motor clamp. We need to fix this to the motor. I want to make this boat strong and light, so I'm using 12 mm aluminium pipe. Let us know in the comment box what you think of this idea. Now we need to fix our motor upon aluminium pipe. It looks like this, and then you have to fix it on the thermocol sheet. For this, I'm using glue gun. Take a plastic sheet and cut it this way. Take a small similar plastic sheet and apply super glue and stick it. Take a scale and tape it to a plastic sheet.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final.
It acts as a wing for the boat.
To a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
As well as we are using 90 grams servo motor to control the wing. Take a iron rod to connect the servo and the wing. In this boat, we are using 11.1 volt 2200 mAh 3-cell lipo battery. This is the Simonk 30A ESC. It helps us to control the motor. I connected the positive and negative of the ESC to the XT60 connector. The FSI6 radio transmitter was used to control this boat. If the receiver does not bind with the transmitter, I will put another video link of mine in the description. Check out the video. fix the ESC led to the channel 3 of the receiver. This is BX100 voltage indicator. It is used to know the charge of the lipo battery.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
I put all our components in a transparent box because parts can be damaged by falling water on them.
Following the light that sets me free.
To make a fan for this boat, I am using 8045 prop. To know better about this prop, another video link of mine has been provided in the description. Check out that video. The ends of the prop are cutted crossly so that it can generate thrust. Connect the 3-phase wires of ESC to the 3 pins of BLDC motor. Connect the servo lid to the channel 2 of the receiver. Our boat is now fully ready. Now it is the time to send the boat into the waters and to see how our boat sails in the water. Okay friends, be sure to mention in the comment box how this boat looks. If you like this boat, then like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Make sure to keep the button grey. Friends, we will meet in another new video. Bye bye. Until then, keep watching our old videos.